Hey, welcome back. Ever wonder what's really going on at the bottom of the world? It's the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. No cities, no permanent residents, and no one owns it. Antarctica is a frozen giant, remote, majestic, and packed with secrets. From legendary explorers and global science missions, to wild theories about lost civilizations and alien outposts, this icy continent has sparked imaginations for decades. So, what's the truth? What's myth? And why does Antarctica matter now more than ever? Let's dive in. People have dreamed about Antarctica for over 2,000 years. Ancient Greek philosophers even believed there had to be a land in the southern hemisphere to balance the known world. They called it Terra Australis Incognita, the unknown southern land. But nobody actually saw the continent until 1820, when ships from Russia, the UK, and the US reached its icy shores almost at the same time. Then came the heroic age of Antarctic exploration, a time of wild adventure, frostbite, and near-impossible survival. Names like Ernest Shackleton, Robert Falcon Scott, and Roald Amundsen still echo through history. Shackleton's 1914 expedition is especially legendary. His ship, the Endurance, got trapped and crushed by ice. But through sheer grit, leadership, and a ridiculous amount of rowing, every single crew member survived. Quick fact: Antarctica is twice the size of Australia, and about 98% of it is covered in ice. Today, Antarctica is one of the most important places on Earth for science. Over 30 countries operate research stations here, all thanks to a rare piece of global teamwork called the Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959. The treaty says, no military, no mining, no nuclear testing, just peaceful science and environmental protection. And the research? It's incredible. Scientists drill deep into ice cores, pulling out ancient air bubbles that can tell us what Earth's atmosphere was like hundreds of thousands of years ago. Others study climate change, tracking melting ice sheets and rising sea levels. Some explore space and physics from the South Pole, where the skies are super clear and dark. And under the ice, they've found lakes sealed off for millions of years, like Lake Vostok, that could hold life forms we've never seen. There are even volcanoes under the ice. Yep, Mount Erebus is one of the southernmost active volcanoes on the planet. And yet, despite all our tech and knowledge, Antarctica is still one of Earth's least understood frontiers. It's like a frozen time capsule, and we've only just cracked it open. Some parts of Antarctica haven't seen rain or snow in millions of years, making them more dry than the Sahara. Okay, let's talk about the myths. Because where there's mystery, there's internet speculation. You may have heard about ancient pyramids hidden in the ice, secret Nazi bases from World War II, alien spacecraft buried beneath the snow, massive entrances to underground civilizations caught on satellite. It's fun to wonder, and honestly, some of the photos do look strange. But let's break it down. Pyramids? Most of these are called nunataks, rocky peaks sticking out of glaciers. Nature can shape things into surprising forms. Alien bases? There's no scientific evidence for anything extraterrestrial in Antarctica, but it does look like a movie set down there, which helps the imagination run wild. Secret tunnels? Most satellite anomalies are just shadows, ice formations, or digital glitches. It's worth saying, Antarctica is so isolated and hard to access. It's easy to see why it sparks curiosity. There are definitely places no one's ever set foot, but that's true in many remote parts of the world. Antarctica has its own Area 51 reputation online, but so far, science wins over C5. Here's the real secret of Antarctica. It's not just about snow and science. It's about the future. The ice here holds around 60% of the world's freshwater. If it melts too fast, sea levels could rise dramatically, affecting coastal cities around the globe. Antarctica also drives global ocean currents, which regulate climate and weather patterns across continents. And don't forget the wildlife: penguins, seals, whales, and weird-looking fish that survive in sub-zero waters. Protecting Antarctica isn't just about saving a frozen wilderness. It's about protecting ourselves and the planet we all share. There are no countries in Antarctica. No one owns it. And that's part of what makes it so unique. Antarctica is wild, ancient, and awe-inspiring. A place where science leads, myths linger, and nature rules. We may never know all its secrets, but maybe that's okay, because sometimes the real magic is in the mystery. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this icy adventure, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Antarctica fact or theory? Until next time, stay curious, stay warm, and stay safe out there. Subscribe for more curiosity-powered journeys. New videos every week from the depths of the ocean to the edge of space.